Hi, I'm Beck and food's my life. In today's video, I'm going to make for you one of my favourite little Thai starters, and it's coming right up. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make some Thai gold purses. I usually order these as an entree when I'm at a Thai restaurant, but you know what? They're simple to make at home and they're really delicious. I'll show you how easy this is.
So first I clean and finely dice 2 garlic cloves and add it to a bowl. Next I clean and finely dice 1 shallot onion and add it to the same bowl. I then add half a cup of water chestnuts that I finely dice. I then finely chop the meat of about half a kilo of fresh green prawns, and then I add this again to the bowl. Into this I stir through 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. Now to assemble the golden purses, you can use wonton wrappers, but today I'm using spring roll pastry. So you cut them into little squares. You'll need about 35 approximately, and just take 1 teaspoon at a time. Bundle up the little purses and pinch them at the top. Next, I'm heating up a small saucepan of peanut oil on a medium to high heat. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to fry 2 or 3 little golden purses at a time until they become a nice golden brown colour. That prawn meat inside doesn't take very long to cook at all. So once they're brown, you can take them out and just leave them on some paper towel to soak up any excess oil.
Oh, these look fantastic and they smell even better. So they're a beautiful deep golden brown now, and I'll just let them cool slightly so I can do a taste test. Mmm. Mmm. That is so easy to make and so delicious. That is Asian street food at its finest. You've got to try it. Great for entertaining and parties, and make sure you eat them straight out of the fryer though while they're still nice and hot and that crunch is still there. So make it for yourself, you'd be mad not to. Check out the description box below, look for my website, go there, and then find the recipe to these beautiful golden purses and make them for yourselves. You'll be making them time after time, I can guarantee. I'll see you next time.